I have a problem with my Jenn Air cooktop burner going to full hot whenever I turn on the switch, even to the low position. You see it's on and it's going to heat up to the full hot position with no control. I did some troubleshooting with partselect.com, and they said that the problem is probably the Infinite switch located directly underneath this knob. Part Select provides a handy schematic here that shows exactly the part that I need. It's called an Infinite switch. I went to their website and bought a new Infinite switch for $85. It does come with complete instructions, and it tells you exactly what to do. The first thing we'll do is shut off the circuit breaker. Find your cooktop circuit breaker and make sure you shut it off completely. Verify the power's off by turning on the cooktop. Note the light's off. That's not heating. Then we'll remove this vent grill and inside locate the two screws that hold the control panel in and remove those two screws. Next we just pop the knob off. It just pulls straight off and it reveals this nut here that you take off with a wrench. Okay. But before I do that, I'll show you this control panel won't just lift straight up. You have to slide it forward a little bit like that, and then it picks up. And under the control panel you'll see the units here, the Infinite switches. This is an old one. This is the new one that I just put in. This is the old Infinite switch that I just took out. Notice it's labeled P, L1, L2, top, H2, H2, and H1. Your new switch may not necessarily have these exact labels. Notice that the L2 is brass. Here's the new switch installed. Notice it has H1, top, L1, L2, P, and HC. Once you get all the wires securely fastened back onto your new Infinite switch, you want to go ahead and secure the nut at the top here with your wrench. Okay, make it nice and tight, and make sure that the orientation for your knob is correct. So what you want to do is push this in and make sure that it pops up to the off position. So you want to get this back in, straight in the way you cut it out. Once it's down, it slides forward slightly. Now you're ready to put your two screws that you took out of the back here back in. Put your knob back on. And you'll notice it's a push-on knob. You push it to turn it, and when it goes back to the off position, you see it snaps back up again. That's how you know that you've got it in the correct orientation. On the actual switch, it says top. Top of the stove is this way. Top of the stove. After you've turned on your circuit breaker, go ahead and test it. Push it down, turn it on, and check it out. See the light's on, and we'll check out the burner to make sure we did everything right. And I can feel it heating, and it's not going super hot like it used to. And it looks like it's working to me. We'll shut it off and call it a day.